We are currently packing for Hurricane Irma. And we have set up our place. Check it out. We pushed the couches against the windows. We moved our TV into the bathroom. We unplugged everything. And we're headed home.
See ya in Georgia!
And we have been driving for officially 7 hours. We have not even made it to Orlando, and that's supposed to be a 3-hour drive from Miami. You wanna take a look at this traffic? Look at this thing.
So beautiful.
We have been here for about what? This is about maybe like 20 minutes. It's been crazy. It's been really crazy. But it's, at least we're going somewhere safe. I think we're probably gonna be driving for close to 14 hours. It's like riding an airplane to Asia, which kind of sucks, but there were no flights anyway from down there to Georgia to escape the hurricane. There were no flights, there were nothing. But at least you get some awesome bonding time. Look at that guy. And her, look at this pretty girl.
Victim
of what?
of natural disaster.
What you eat in there, Eric? Oreos!
Double stuff.
Wow.
Pure
Perfect.
twist.
What is the best snack you can get, Hannah? Why don't we start off with you? What is your favorite snack? What is your go-to snack?
I like hot Cheeto hot fries.
Why?
I don't know, they're good. What more do you need?
Yeah. When would you eat them? Whenever?
Yeah.
With
they're
what?
only $1 for a huge bag.
With anything?
What do you mean with anything?
Like, can you eat it anytime, any place, anywhere, no matter what? You have to be in a certain mood? Is there ever a mood that you wouldn't eat the hot Cheetos in?
I just have to be hungry.
Fair enough. Well, that's good. Hot Cheetos then. How about you, Eric?
Oreos, always.
Why?
Because they give you that extra calorie boost when you're hungry.
Is it double stuffed? Did you get the double stuffed pack?
Well, normally I get the standard, but this time they only had double stuff, so you get double the boost. So when you think about hunger, this thing will cure it in half the time because it's double stuff.
Wow.
What's your go-to snack?
My go-to, I don't know, do I have a go-to snack? I'm not much of a snacker. I'm kind of more like, if it's there, I'll pick at it.
His favorite types of chips are the Ruffles sour cream and onion, or sour cream and cheddar.
Yes, that is a must snack. What else do I like to snack on?
Dunkin' Donuts coffee.
True.
You like coffee, and you like the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn.
Oh, white cheddar popcorn. Actually, I think popcorn might be my favorite thing to snack on. I love getting popcorn at the movies, and you know, I know whoever has been a long time Target shopper knows all about that Target popcorn with the icy. That is so good. I've been getting it since I was a little kid. You just pick at it while you're shopping. If you haven't tried it before, you make sure you go try it. It is so worth it.
Yeah.
Did you add drop, or is AT&T screwing you?
Look at my new phone case. Isn't it so cute?
Oh, pineapples and what do you call those? Petals?
Flowers.
Flowers. traffic, I think. Woo!
This car went.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto the Georgia 316 East ramp.
So we have driven for almost 17 hours straight. And we're finally home.
Yay.
Thank you, Hurricane Irma, and all the crazy traffic. Note to self, if you think a whole state is gonna evacuate, try to evacuate the day before.
Turn
Everyone
right
else
onto the
does.
Georgia 316
Peace.
East ramp.
I would say 2 days because we left the day before. Look at us now.
Oh yeah, 2 days before, for sure.
Continue on Georgia 316 East for 7 miles.
My face is so bloated.
Mine too. So it's currently Saturday night. Florida is now bracing for Hurricane Irma to arrive. But first we wanted to thank everybody, our family and friends, for reaching out to us. You know, whether it was a text or a call, you know, even your thoughts and prayers, it meant a lot to us. We weren't really expecting a hurricane to chase us up from Miami as soon as we moved down there a week later, but we're glad to be home, glad to be safe with our loved ones. But for everyone else down there, please stay safe, and we'll be praying for you. And yeah, so we'll see you next week. Everyone stay safe this week. Stay inside, stay warm, stay dry. Hopefully you aren't too impacted or affected by the storm. Peace.
Bye.